Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday late afternoon update concerning the potential for heavy rain across southern lower Michigan with a couple of events coming up here over the next 4 to 5 days. If we take a look at the forecast map from late this afternoon, we expect a low pressure system over the next 24 to 36 hours to move to the northeast towards Lake Erie, and that's going to spread moderate to heavy rainfall up through the Ohio Valley and into southern lower Michigan. We're up to 1.5 inches, and locally heavier amounts could fall again for those areas down around Jasper, Blissfield, Dundee, over towards Monroe. So significant flood potential exists here over the next 24 hours with that rain moving in. And I think lighter amounts, in fact, we could see very little to any once you get north of St. John's, although I think there's a good chance we could see a couple of showers up to as far north as the Elm area. But again, not much in the way of precipitation, and we could certainly use it up this way. A good ½ inch to an inch wouldn't hurt a thing up here. If we look at the satellite, you can see very cool cloud tops coming out of Missouri into Illinois, and that's going to be spreading up into the area overnight. Again, bringing a pretty good steady moderate to heavy rain at times across southern lower Michigan. If we look at the radar map, you can see that area of enhancement back into western Illinois, again, all moving to the east-northeast, and it'll rotate right into lower Michigan. Again, I think the area that of concern would be from around I-94 south, but we could see a ½ inch amounts even up to I-96. But again, the best bet is going to be across the southern row of counties where, again, more excessive flooding could be in the cards here. Not only from this system, but again, all areas could see moderate to heavy rain as we get into Saturday night and Sunday. Over the next about 30 hours, you can see about 1.5 inches or so up into the southern lower Michigan area. Some of the model outputs are a little higher than that, but we'll have to keep an eye on this heavy rainfall to see exactly where it does fall. But the potential is there. And if we look at the next one, this is the 7-day outlook, and you can see 2.5 to 4 inches rain across the southern row of counties. And again, for all of lower Michigan, even up into the UP, 1/4 to ½ inch with the system coming in from Saturday night into Monday, and potentially heavy rain once you get around Muskegon or towards Saginaw south. And we'll have to watch this to see if it expands farther north, and that is a possibility. Again, if that does happen, we could see 2 to 3 more additional inches across far southern lower Michigan. So we're going to want to watch that real close. And if we look at the 6 to 10 and the 8 to 14 day, both around normal temperatures and above normal precipitation, much like we've seen all spring long into the early summer. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great Wednesday evening, and 73s to all.